Everyone, today I'm super excited to share my thoughts on the bacon grease container with strainer and spatula. I enjoy cooking with bacon grease, and this container has been an awesome addition to my kitchen. It has a charming rustic farmhouse vibe with its enamel finish that looks amazing on my countertop. But it's not just pretty, it's practical too. The 46-ounce size is perfect for holding a good amount of bacon grease, and the fine mesh strainer ensures you get clean fat every time. Using this container is straightforward. After cooking bacon, I simply pour the grease through the strainer and it does the work. The included food-grade silicone spatula is fantastic for getting every last drop of grease out of the pan. No more waste. One of the best features is that it's dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup a breeze. Plus, it comes with some great recipes that you can make the most of your bacon grease. Frying eggs to adding flavor to vegetables. I love how this container not only serves a functional purpose, but also adds a touch of rustic charm to my kitchen. It's sturdy, looks great, and is incredibly useful. If you love bacon and want a stylish way to save your grease, this container is a must-have. Thanks for watching, and if you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews. We'll see you next time.